everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with another video for Craspire. This time I'm going to do the embossing powder. I first have to apologize. I know a lot of you love pink, but I am not a pink person. This is UD translucent, which is just ultra thick embossing powder, translucent, mixed with two different colors of red. Then I put a little bit of the Chinese red from Ranger in there as well, and same thing, it is not red. Let me give it a minute to remelt. In the meantime, we'll talk about the stamps that I've got in mind. There's this one that is, it's a skull, I believe, with stars and maybe planetary rings with a small island growing out of the top. I'm not sure. And then this one is a hand with a rose. A skeleton hand with a rose. And of course I did already try the clasping skeleton hands. Alright, let's check. Oh yeah. We're all melted. Alright, I'm on my silicone mat. Trying very carefully not to burn myself. Because this, I'm sorry, this is the, hold on. This is the okay, it's a melting pot. It doesn't say whether it's Ranger, it doesn't say what brand it is. Let me quickly you don't want it to cool too much first, but you want it to cool just a little bit. That way your stamp doesn't go all the way through the wax. Alright. And again, I apologize for the pink. Look how cute. Like I said, I'm sorry for the color. It was supposed to be red so you could see it. But instead it's pink. Alright, one more time. First of all, I should have said, first of all, this melting pot gets to about 300 degrees. So you do want to take safety precautions. Don't let kids anywhere close to it. Be careful yourself. Just take the same precautions as your heat gun when you turn it off. You wouldn't just set it down and forget about it. Alright. I apologize again. it doesn't get as hot on this raised end as it does off in the middle, obviously. Alright. I didn't melt very much embossing powder to do this because I knew I was only going to do a limited amount. Hopefully we'll get 3. Come on, you can do it. Well, this one is a weird shape, bad example. And it may have cooled too much. But it didn't. Look how cute. It didn't do the one side of the banding of the stamp, but it's still really cute. Okay, so what can you do with these? Really and truly, these can be, if you've got an envelope and you do the whole melting and just glue these to whatever you want. Mixed media project, an envelope. They're really cute. I could go on for days, but I would definitely do different colors. And they're definitely shrunk in size. Alright. Thank you again to Craspire for sending me these. These have been really fun. Again, the whole set, I'll leave the links below. This one I believe is the Halloween set. They have lots of different themed collections, and I'm sure there's all different kinds. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave all my links below. I've got an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from, and the rest of my social media links are listed below. I will leave the description, in the description box, the link for Craspire and the coupon code. And I'm not even going to leave a link to the embossing powder. I'm that disappointed with it. That is not red in any sense of the word. Not red. Okay, bye for now.